In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up flows in Klaviyo. First of all, log into your Klaviyo account and then click on the Flows option from the left-hand side menu. Flows are a way of sending multiple emails automatically based on certain triggers and conditions. If you only want to send a single email, you should use campaigns. However, if you want to create a sequence of emails that send automatically when specific actions occur, then you will use flows. Once you are in the Flows section, click on the Create Flow button at the top right-hand side of your screen. At this stage, you will see the option to build your own flow from scratch, but this is not recommended, as Klaviyo already provides many ready-made templates based on different conditions. To see all of them, click on View All Flows. As you scroll down, you'll see a wide variety of templates to choose from. For example, if you want to welcome new subscribers, you can select the Welcome Series Flow template. After selecting a template, the first thing you need to do is give your flow a name. You also have the option to add a tag, though this step is optional. Next, you need to choose a list from the drop-down menu. This will determine which subscribers will receive the flow. For example, you might have one list with all of your subscribers, or you may have smaller segmented lists based on preferences. Simply choose the one you want and then click Use Template. Once you've done this, you'll see the flow displayed step by step. At the very beginning, you'll see the trigger you selected, such as when someone subscribes to your list. After that, you'll notice the first action, which in this case is the welcome email number 1. This means whenever someone joins your list, they will automatically receive this email. If you want to preview it, click on the 3 dots and then choose Preview. If you don't like the default email and want to edit it, click on Edit from the same menu. Next, you'll see that the flow includes a Wait block. This is used to delay the next email so that your subscribers don't receive multiple messages all at once. By default, this one is set to 3 days, but if you want a shorter or longer delay, click on it and change the number of days, hours, or minutes. Then click Save. After this delay, another email will be sent, and then after 4 more days, another one, and so on. You can preview or edit each of these emails by clicking on the 3 dots. If you want to delete any step, click on the 3 dots and choose Delete. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Actions menu, which allows you to add new steps to your flow. These include sending an email, sending an SMS, creating an internal alert, adding a time delay, or creating a conditional split. A conditional split is especially useful because it allows you to set different paths based on subscriber behavior. For example, you can drag the conditional split into your flow, click on the drop-down menu, and select a condition such as someone's proximity to a certain location. You can then set rules, like targeting subscribers within a specific distance from a zip code. After saving, you can design different emails for people who meet the condition and for those who do not. Once your flow is fully designed, click on Review and Turn On at the top right-hand corner. Make sure the flow status is set to live, then click on Save. After this, your flow will begin working exactly as you designed it. This is how you can set up flows in Klaviyo.